Hi there and welcome to our latest market update video. So when we last filmed one of these update videos, I think it was back in early July when we were looking at the data for our region from the month of June. And what it highlighted back then was a market that continued to hold up quite well really in the face of everything that's been thrown at it in the last 12 to 18 months. And let's just take a moment to recap on some of the headwinds, the turbulence even we've faced as sellers and buyers over the last 18 months. We've had a horrendous situation in Ukraine and the effects that has had on the global economy. We've also had political uncertainty at home. We've had rampant inflation and we've all felt the effects of this. And then just for good measure, we've had interest rates rise from 0.1% to 5.25% in less than 2 years, 14 interest rate rises in such a short space of time, and mortgage rates rocket off the back of this. So what's happened to the market during July and August? Well, July and August are always, for the property market anyway, months where things are a little quieter. Of course, the kids are off school, people head away and try and get on holiday. But the number of properties coming to the market for sale and the number of sales being agreed during July and August held up very well compared to 12 months ago. However, the trend of an increasing number of properties on the market having had their price reduced continued. We saw 60% more price reductions in August 23 compared to 12 months ago. And this is simply down to the fact there are so many more properties available right now. In some areas, we're seeing about a third more properties available now than at the start of the year. And this is removing some of the urgency amongst buyers. It can be location specific, it can even be property type specific. But generally speaking, we are now starting to see those more motivated sellers reducing their asking prices to try and entice buyers in. And we can really split down into our region what's happening with prices. And what we saw in August was prices very similar to where they were 12 months ago. But nationally, some of the data we're seeing from the likes of Zoopla, the Nationwide, the Land Registry is now starting to show price declines. Now that might be based on some of the declines we're seeing in the south of the country rather than our region. But I think the data from our region, as we move towards the latter part of 2023, will start to show some negative price growth. Will we see the double-digit price falls that some are predicting? Well, I'm not so sure. The fundamentals at the moment just don't seem to support this. We've got a growing population, we've got a shortage of new properties being built, and we've still got an appetite from mortgage lenders to lend money. I think a lot hinges though on interest rates. I think I said in the last video, if we get to 6% or close, then I think we might be in for a difficult period. But if interest rates level off at 5.5%, as some are now predicting, then I feel we might start to see prices stabilise. Of course, please keep in touch through these videos to see how things develop with the property market. And if, in the meantime, anyone out there is thinking of moving in 2023, please do get in touch. We'd love to talk. We've got lines open 8 to 8, 7 days a week. Thanks for watching.